If you're running an e-commerce store on Shopify, you know how important it is to get your products in front of millions of potential customers. And one of the best ways to do that is through Google Shopping. That's where Easy Feed for Google Shopping comes in. This app makes it easy to submit your products to Google Shopping, buy on Google, and free listings on Google. With Easy Feed, you can submit your product feed in multiple languages and currencies, and even use top-level domains to reach a global audience. You can customize your product feed by submitting single or all variants, and tailor the feed to highlight specific product attributes like color, image, size, title, and description. And if you want to boost your conversion rates even further, you can create promotions feeds to entice customers with discounts and special offers. And if you need to make changes to multiple products at once, importing and exporting data options can save you time and effort. You can filter your products based on a variety of criteria, such as product type, vendor, or price, and then edit multiple attributes in one go. Once your product feed is submitted, Easy Feed sync with Google Merchant Center to optimize your products for ads and make it easier for customers to find you. With Easy Feed for Google Shopping, you can take your e-commerce business to the next level and reach more customers than ever before. So, what are you waiting for? Just install Easy Feed and see the difference for yourself. It's no-brainer and the best business investment you ever made.